Most adults fail to solve this, not because they are not good at math, but because they miss a simple logic. So now, in today's video, I am going to explain basic algebra, so you wouldn't panic when you see these kinds of problems. So here we have 3x plus 1 is equal to 10. We can't know the value of x right away. We have to solve for the value of x. What is x? X is equal to unknown, and we are going to solve that. But first, let me explain what variables mean. So in algebra, we have two things. We have numbers and variables. And what are variables? I am going to answer that for you. Variables are just letters or different symbols whose value varies, so they represent a specific number. So let me give you a simple example. If we say 2 minus x is equal to 1, we are saying that 2 minus x is just 1. So what is the value of x? We can't know that yet. But we know that x plus 1 is equal to 2, right? So this is the idea. And the value of x is just equal to 1. So that is the idea, and this is the basics behind variables. Their value just varies, and they represent a specific number. In this case, the variable x represents the number 1. So that is the idea. When we back to our problem, here we have 3x plus 1 is equal to 10. What is the value of x? So how do we find the value of x? Well, we can actually divide this by 3 to find the value of x. But we have an additional 1 here, right? So that would make a difference. But we can actually get rid of this 1. So what we can do is, we can subtract 1 from the equation to get rid of the 1. Positive 1 cancels out negative 1, so the 1 is already gone. And we are left with only 3x. But we have to do the same on the right-hand side. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So our new equation becomes 3x is equal to 9. So now we actually have to divide by 3 to know the value of x. So 3 cancels 3, or 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So we would have 1x, x by itself, is equal to 9 over 3, meaning x is just 3. And this is the answer. If you found this easy, congratulations. If you didn't, it's okay. There are a lot of videos on my channel that I'm going to post, and you can watch these videos to just get better at math. So make sure to subscribe to this channel to see them. I will see you in the next video. Bye.